Hi, I'm Radek from Patrol Driving School. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign up for a driving course in Poland. Let's go! First step, age and required time living in Poland. The minimum age for category B is 18, but you can start applying for a driving license 3 months before you turn 18. Another important requirement is having residency in Poland for a minimum 185 days. Second step, completing a driver candidate profile, PKK. A PKK is a number given to the person applying for a driving license. How to obtain one? First, you need to gather a few documents: medical examination, a recent photograph, if you're under 18, parental consent form, an ID card, passport or residence card. Then take this document to the Department of Motor Vehicles in your place of residence. Once you have your PKK number, you can apply for a driving course. Step 3. English driving course online. An online course allows you to learn theory and driving test by yourself using materials available online or provided by the driving school. When you feel your knowledge is at an appropriate level, you can register and pass the state theory test. Important, you can do this no later than 1 month before you turn 18 birthday. So if you get your PKK number 3 months before you turn 18, you have 2 months to study. After passing the theory exam, you can sign up for the practical part of the English driving course. I mean driving lessons, minimum 30 hours. After completing this, you can pass the state practical exam. To the practical exam, you have to bring a licensed translator. If you found this video helpful, leave thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share in the comments what stage of getting your driving license you are at. See you next time!